So, okay, I'm excited about this video. Alright, I thought about it for a little bit. I was trying to figure out what I could do with some tomatoes. And I got a whole bin of tomatoes, okay? So I'm gonna get right into it, okay? This is making an appetizer. It's called Mozzarella Garlic Stuffed Tomatoes, okay? And these tomatoes are definitely going in the oven, definitely getting baked. The ingredients, basically, I'll show you how to cut the tomatoes because I'm gonna cut the seeds out in the middle, and then I'm gonna take the top off, stuff it with string cheese, mozzarella, and then put a little bit of butter in there, some garlic, and at the end I'll pour some sauce on it, some pizza sauce, marinara. So let's get into it. Okay. Oh, these are fresh. Really fresh tomatoes, people. Look at these. These are beautiful. Beautiful for appetizers, okay? So I'm going to start by chopping up the garlic, okay? Chop up the garlic real good. Get a good chop on it. And you know, I'll be honest with you. If I had some basil, I would put basil in the tomatoes, but I just don't have basil right now. So I'm gonna have to do without it. Unfortunately, I really don't. I think I have some herbs like Italian seasoning in my cabinet, so I'll probably just end up using that. So yeah, but basil would be perfect. If you chopped up some garlic and basil and then you stuffed the tomatoes with that, with the mozzarella, oh my God, now that's really Italian. That couldn't be any more Italian. And you drizzle some olive oil on it, which I don't have the olive oil, but if you did have those ingredients, I would basically do what I'm doing, but chop up the basil, put the basil in mixed with the garlic, with the mozzarella, after you cut it out, which I'm going to show you how to do. And then, you know, drizzle some olive oil, put it in the oven. See how it comes out, you know, something new. I've never done this before, this recipe, so I'm excited to show you guys. Alright, I'm excited to make it and eat it and show you guys. Alright, share my gift with everybody. Okay, so. Okay. These videos are here for you people. You don't have to struggle with cooking anymore. If you want to learn, you can always learn and listen, okay? And Kyle's Kitchen, it's always a good day, all right? Always Kyle's Kitchen, okay? So I got the garlic chopped up, all right, people? Okay. So next, I'm going to make about 4 tomatoes, all right, for an appetizer, because I can't eat anymore. And it's a good serving size, 4 tomatoes. That's good for one person, and it's just gonna be me dining tonight. So anyways, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take the ends off, thinly slice the top of the tomato, take the tops off. Okay. Oh, these are gorgeous. Fresh, really fresh. Really, really, I'm talking about fresh. Alright. It's gonna get a little messy doing this. Just a bit messy. Alright, so I'm gonna put the tomatoes in pan. I'm gonna show you afterwards how I cut them. But for now, I'm leaving it in the pan because it's a little bit messy. So, alright, take the tomato, take a paring knife, which is a smaller version of a knife. Alright? And then just gut the inside out. Okay? Now this is what it should look like on the inside. See? Alright. kind of like a funnel. Funnel the middle out. Okay, take the seeds out and everything, the whole pit of the tomato. The whole pit of the tomato. Everything. Leave the... Oh, it's coming out good. These are so fresh. I love these tomatoes, man. They're so fresh. Take all the seeds out of here. Okay. So, here, I'll show you what I'm doing in the camera. Just slicing the middle out. Cutting the middle out of it. I decided I'm gonna put the butter on top of it when I put it in the oven after I stuff it. Okay, so next is definitely gonna put the string cheese, the mozzarella in there. Gonna stuff it with the string cheese. That's next. You don't have to use string cheese, people. You could use regular mozzarella. Yeah, like I said, you don't have to use string cheese. Mozzarella is just fine. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, gonna take the string cheese, gonna mush it a little bit, stuff it. Mush it and stuff it. Gonna mush it. Actually, it would be smart to put a little bit of garlic in there. Gonna put a little garlic on the bottoms of each one. Put a little garlic on the bottoms of each one. Then mush and stuff and stick. Okay, next, gonna put them on top or in the pan. Prepare it for the oven. Put some more garlic on top of it. A little bit more garlic. Putting the garlic on top of it. Okay. All right. Next, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a little bit of butter. I'm gonna get 4 slices of butter. And I'm gonna take the butter, people, and I'm gonna stuff it inside put it on top of the tomato. Okay? Put it on top of the tomatoes. Okay? Alright, and it should look like this. Stuffed. Show you what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna throw it in the oven. Alright, I'm back. This is mozzarella stuffed tomatoes. Okay, that's the recipe I made. It was baking in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. And I put sauce on it in the oven while it was baking. I yanked it out, sauced it up, and they look phenomenal. I'm just gonna plate them right now, and I'll show you a culinary technique how I plate it. Take out a tomato, okay. Just kind of wrap it in the tomato, let it sit like that. Wrap it and let it sit. And do that to all the tomatoes. I'm going to wrap it up in cabbage. And that's stuffed tomatoes, mozzarella stuffed tomatoes right here. Alright? Alright, so I hope you enjoyed of this video. Okay, this is an awesome recipe. It was so fun. It's interactive. You get to cut inside the tomatoes, stuff it. Oh, it's a blast. The smell in the oven is just, ooh, bellissima, molto bene. Two molto benes, double molto bene. Alright, so just keep cooking, guys, you know. Keep watching my videos, you know, keep in the kitchen if you're bored. And have a good night, everybody.